Have you ever wondered why some of the hardest working people in the world are still broke? I'm talking about people who wake up early, work long hours, sacrifice their time, their health, even their families, and yet, at the end of the month, they're still struggling. Meanwhile, someone else, working fewer hours, seems to build wealth faster, live better, and enjoy more freedom. So what's going on here? Is it luck? Is it talent? Is it connections? Or, is there a truth about money that most people never learn? In today's video, we're going to break this down step by step, because the reality might shock you. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this and remember to comment and share. The big lie about hard work from a young age, most of us were taught one simple formula. Work hard equals get rich sounds logical, right? But here's the problem, that formula is incomplete. Because if hard work alone made people rich, then construction workers, nurses, cleaners, and factory workers would all be millionaires. But they're not. Why? Because hard work creates income, but it doesn't automatically create wealth. Let me say that again, income is not wealth. You can earn a high income and still be broke. And you can earn a modest income and build significant wealth over time. The difference comes down to what you do with the money you earn. The income trap. Most hard-working people fall into what's called the income trap. Here's how it works. You work hard, right pointing arrow, you get paid, right pointing arrow, you spend, right pointing arrow, you repeat. Over and over again. No matter how much you earn, your expenses grow with your income. This is called lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you upgrade your car. You earn more, you move to a bigger house. You make extra money, you spend more on convenience. And before you know it, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Not because you don't earn enough, but because your financial system is broken. The mindset difference. Wealthy people think differently about money. While most people focus on, how can I earn more? Wealth builders focus on, how can I make money work for me? This is a fundamental shift. Hard-working people trade time for money. Wealthy people build systems where money works without their constant effort. That's the difference between active income, passive income. If you stop working, your income stops. That's a dangerous position to be in. Time versus money. Here's a harsh truth. You can always make more money, but you can never get your time back. Most people sell their time at a fixed rate. Let's say you earn $25 per hour. There are only 24 hours in a day. That means your income is capped. No matter how hard you work, you can't scale time. But investments, they scale infinitely. Money invested wisely can grow while you sleep. Why saving alone doesn't work? Many hard-working people do save money. And that's good. But here's the problem. Saving alone will not make you wealthy. Why? Because of inflation, rising costs of living, currency devaluation. If your money is sitting in a bank account earning minimal interest, it's actually losing value over time. That's why you must move from saving, right pointing arrow, investing. The power of investing. This is where everything changes. Investing allows your money to grow through Compound interest, dividends, capital appreciation. This is how wealth is built over time. Not overnight, but consistently. Imagine this: you invest regularly, your money earns returns. Those returns generate more returns, and over time, your money starts working harder than you. That's the goal. The system is not designed for you. Here's something most people don't realize: the financial system was not designed to make employees wealthy. It was designed to keep people working, keep people consuming, keep money flowing upwards. Schools don't teach investing. They don't teach financial literacy. They don't teach wealth building strategies. Why? Because the system benefits from people staying financially unaware. Breaking the cycle. So how do you escape? Here are the key steps. 1. Change your mindset. Stop thinking only about earning. Start thinking about building. 2. Spend less than you earn. This creates the gap needed to invest. 3. Invest consistently. Even small amounts matter over time. 4. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on one paycheck. 5. Be patient. Wealth takes time. There is no shortcut. Common mistakes hardworking people make. Let's go through a few traps to avoid. Thinking a higher salary will solve everything. Avoiding investing due to fear. Waiting for the perfect time. Spending to impress others. Not learning about money. These mistakes keep people stuck for decades. The truth about money. Here's the truth most people ignore. Hard work is important, but it's not enough. You need strategy, knowledge, discipline, patience. Without these, hard work alone will keep you busy, but not wealthy. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: don't just work for money, make money work for you. That's the shift that changes everything. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Because the truth is, most people will never be told this. And that's exactly why they stay stuck.